Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Honorable Excellency Minister Liu Jian Cho, Honorable Chairman Senate, Honorable Speaker National Assembly, His Excellency Chinese Ambassador Jiang Zhaodong, worthy members of Chinese delegation, representatives of Pakistan's political parties, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, greetings of peace and very good morning. On behalf of the government and people of Pakistan, as well as the Pakistan Muslim League and all political parties of Pakistan, I extend a very warm welcome to His Excellency, Minister of the International Department of the Communist Party of China. I had the pleasure of meeting His Excellency last month during my visit to China for the 5th Pakistan-China Foreign Minister Strategic Dialogue. We held fruitful discussions on issues of mutual interest. I was extremely impressed by His Excellency the Minister's insights into regional and international developments and their profound impact on Pakistan-China relations. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, during our meeting, I also invited His Excellency, the Minister, to visit Pakistan, and I'm delighted that he graciously accepted my invitation, giving us an opportunity to extend to him a rich hospitality and welcome and special warmth that we reserve for our Chinese brethren. Minister Liu's presence in Pakistan demonstrates the consensus of our two countries' leadership to maintain high-level exchanges and deepen strengthen the enduring bonds of fraternity, trust and cooperation between our two great nations. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the joint consultative mechanism of political parties under CPEC is a unique platform reinforcing two key messages about Pakistan-China relationship. The first, the CPEC constitutes a vital pillar of our bilateral economic and strategic partnership. Second, that there is complete unanimity among all political parties of Pakistan on CPEC's salience for Pakistan's economic growth and sustainable development. Thank you. Excellencies, CPEC is not merely a symbol of Pakistan-China friendship. It is a shining emblem of a new vision for international cooperation. Founded and nurtured on the concept of win-win partnership, CPEC has catalyzed Pakistan's endeavors towards sustainable development, socio-economic prosperity, and regional connectivity. We are proud that we are the first country where China launched the Belt and Road Initiative in 2013 under the great leadership of President Xi Jinping. I have fond memories of welcoming President Xi in 2015 and His Excellency in Pakistan when our two countries formally launched the CPEC and signed a record number of MOUs and agreements to mark a new era in Pakistan-China bilateral economic cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, being a part of the team that launched and navigated the CPEC through half of its first phase, I must take a moment here to acknowledge China's critical support to Pakistan through investments in the infrastructure and energy projects of CPEC. These investments came at a time when Pakistan was struggling to find support from other international development partners and financial institutions. Excellencies, through CPEC, we were able to steer Pakistan to a period of significant economic growth. We overcame power outages, expanded our roads and highways network, developed Pakistan's first mass transit system, and generated hundreds of thousands of new employment opportunities for our people in Pakistan. Excellencies, the government, the political parties, and the people of Pakistan will never forget China's support in those crucial times. Now we are witnessing the high-quality development of CPEC Phase 2. In this regard, the Prime Minister's recent visit to China was significant on several accounts. First, it saw our two countries' leadership renewing consensus on the upgradation of CPEC. Second, the visit was marked by landmark decisions and understandings between the two sides, close to 24 bilateral G2G documents, and a substantial number of B2B MOUs and agreements were signed in this visit. Third, we launched a groundbreaking initiative that forges joint ventures and partnerships for investments in Pakistan, key priority investment sectors. Fourth, we signed the modalities of third-party participation in CPEC projects, unveiling a new horizon for regional connectivity, economic integration, and prospects of shared prosperity in the new era. Ladies and gentlemen, to launch the second generation of CPEC projects, we are prioritizing industry, modern agriculture, information technology, and mining and minerals. Together with this, we are committed to further enhance people-to-people linkages to deepen the sentiments of mutual respect, trust, and understanding. The convening of today's forum, the participation of Pakistan's all major political parties, and the presence of Honorable Minister from China is a manifestation of our shared commitment to preserve and protect the Pakistan-China relationship from the vagaries of national, regional, and international politics. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks an important occasion, as this is the first time that this new mechanism is being hosted in Pakistan. On this auspicious occasion, I congratulate all my colleagues representing various political parties of Pakistan in today's event. Let us join our voices and collectively pledge our strongest support to the CPEC and its upgradation to the next phase. Excellencies, our unequivocal and unwavering commitment to China-Pakistan economic corridor promises a lasting benefit for the present and future of our people. I wish to recall here the famous quote of our founding father, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who said, "With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve." Let us be guided by these words to strengthen Pakistan-China relations and ensure the full realization of CPEC. Let us reaffirm today that Pakistan-China friendship is a relationship of the past, the present, and the future. A friendship is historic reality and the conscious choice of our two people of China and Pakistan. We have stood by each other in weal and woe, through thick and thin, evolving our friendship into an all-weather strategic cooperative partnership. Our strategic trust is unshakable and nothing can undo it. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I am confident that the discussions and deliberations today will further fortify the CPEC and Pakistan-China iron brotherhood. Long live Pakistan-China friendship. Thank you very much.